White Castle has teamed up with digital artist Chu from Doodle Labs in order to produce a line of 5,000 NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. The collection is in celebration of the burger chain's 100th anniversary. For a century, the fast food giant has led the way for new innovations by releasing augmented reality art for its packaging and having fashion designers create uniforms. The chief marketing officer said Chu brilliantly combines multimedia technology and art for a unique creative experience unlike we've ever seen. The one-of-one model is generated by an algorithm powered by art blocks and is minted at the time of purchase. The collection is aptly named Sliderverse. The company that brought you Time Magazine's most influential burger of all time is taking some of its profits from the launch to send to its team member relief charity, where it goes to help with financial assistance and funding for its scholarship fund. I wonder how other fast food chains will take this idea and capitalize off of it in their own unique ways. It's only a matter of time before we find out.